In case you've been living under a rock, you have heard of all the big and most well-known tech companies doing massive layoffs. And it's not just the big companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, but it's also lesser known tech companies like PagerDuty, Prisma, and Flexport that are also doing these layoffs. And it's really not good for the tech industry and for the economy as a whole. It's anyone's guess why these layoffs are happening. Maybe it's the correction from overhiring in COVID. Maybe it's the looming recession that no one wants to dub as actual recession, but we're in a recession right now. Or it's just a mix of both and it's truly the turn of the economy. But here are some quick numbers for your attention to emphasize just how serious these layoffs are. Salesforce laid off 8,000 employees on January 4th. Amazon laid off 10,000 in November and another 8,000 also on January 4th. And lastly, Google laid off 12,000 employees on January 20th. Yeah, these numbers are scary, especially considering since it's only the first month of 2023. But how bad is it and what does this mean for you? Let's review it. Alright, so I got layoffs.fyi here. I'm gonna go deep dive into how bad the layoffs are right now. But if you guys can click that subscribe button and like this video, it would mean a lot. Let's get into this right away, no more hesitation. Now, I don't want to scare anyone, but we should definitely talk about these overwhelmingly frightening numbers. If we flip over to layoffs.fyi, we can truly see how bad the layoffs have been for 2022 and how bad these layoffs continue to be for 2023. In November of 2022, there were 52,000 layoffs, and in December of 2022, there were 10,000 layoffs. In all of 2022, there were 160,000 total layoffs, with the last 2 months accounting for almost 40% of the total layoffs in that year. That's fucking crazy. And I just want to say this last chart really showcases the effect post-pandemic, where we can see in Q2 of 2022, the layoffs really start to spike up and start this reckoning of layoffs that we're seeing today. But if you are on the grind of applying, you should be smart about your time, because not only are there less jobs, but all the people that got laid off, there's more people competing for the position. So don't waste your time going on websites and applying, creating that resume, CV, filling out their application, which takes so much time. What I would definitely recommend is tap into your networks, tap into the referrals, because right now those are worth gold. A referral to a company for a tech interview is the most important thing right now for people looking for a tech job. And if you've been slacking on networking, well, here's a good chance to kind of practice those skills, go meet people, join tech communities on Twitter and Discords, like my Discord, link in the description below. But right now, companies are strapped for cash and they can't afford to give out offers for that 350, 400 TC like they used to. Now, I'm not saying accept lowball offers, but know and be comfortable accepting an offer that's in the range of your skill set and level. Because if you think you have a low offer in front of you, I can guarantee it, somebody is waiting in line and will jump on that. And not only that particular offer, but they will probably take an even lower one because some people are so desperate right now. In conclusion, these layoffs are scary. No one knows the answer. No one knows what's going to happen. But what you should be doing is buckling down, sharpening your skills, and mastering your domain. You want to stand out, either at your current job, your current employment, or when you get the opportunity to interview amongst all the other candidates. And networking, definitely network right now. This is the time to meet people in similar situations, gain their thoughts, and meet people to discuss what you can do, get potential referrals, and really make good connections. This is where we practice the concept of TITS, which we'll talk about in my next video. So make sure you subscribe to catch that notification. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Let me know what you think, and until next time, peace out.